Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Macys. So let me take you to their website, which is Macys.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Macys is a premier online department store offering a wide selection of fashion, beauty, home goods, and lifestyle products from top brands. The website focuses on delivering exclusive deals, seasonal trends, and personalized shopping experiences for every customer. With Macy's, you can shop the latest styles and essential all in just one place. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, all the amazing product. And if you want to buy anything for yourself or your family, go ahead and do that. But we are not here for that. We are here to earn money from Macy's. Possible? Yes, of course. Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up receiving commission. So the affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote them in order to receive commission. No restrictions found for any of those two things. That means regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of their affiliate program. And about the consumer's country, there's no restriction as well. So long as you bring sales to Macy's from anywhere around the globe, wherever Macy's provide their services, of course, their shipping and delivery, you would be able to receive the commission based on the sale you bring. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Flex Offers. Now, what does Flex Offers have to do with Macy's? Flex Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Macy's, we must have an affiliate account with Flex Offers. Now, Flex Offers call affiliates as publishers and brands and advertisers, so don't get confused. And how do you create an account with them, the publisher rather the affiliate account with Flex Offers? Simply click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here within Publisher and Affiliate, click on Sign Up. Complete the registration to get yourself a free publisher account of Flex Offers. Now I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an account with Flex Offers, a publisher account. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again, hover over login, click on publisher login, which will take you to the login page, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or the publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you will be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Macy's, but we're going to keep the focus of our video as Macy's only. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, look at the left-hand side menu bar, hover over advertisers, click on it, and then click on advertiser search. It will take you to this page. Over here, if you scroll down with an advertiser program name, simply start typing Macy's. And over here, you got Macy's, Macy's Australia, Asia Pacific, Macy's Canada. So you might want to select anyone that's more suited for you. I'm going to go with all so that I can show you how exactly it looks like. So for now, I've selected Macy's Australia and the normal one. Let me go with the Canada one as well. Once you've selected the name from the drop down, simply click on search and then you would be able to see the tiles in here. So this is the Macy's normal one, this is the Asia Pacific, and then this is the Canada one. Now you see there is this green color unlock icon. This icon represents premium program. So that means when you join Flex Offers, you can come here and you might be able to see here premium program lock button. So you can click on that button, follow the instruction from there and get yourself premium program approval from Flex Offers. Once you have gotten the approval, you can follow the steps that I just shared. Search for the Macy's name in here, and then within the style, you would be able to see this green unlock. And then over here, you can see more details. So let's start with the payout description. The payout is 2.4% of the sale amount. And to have more details, you can click on view program terms. And over here, it will provide more details. As you can see, for sales, you'll get 2.4%. And if there will be any other restrictions, you will be able to see in here. And to see terms and condition, you can click on show, and over here you can read all these terms and condition. Now let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program for your online presence or your traffic source, then you can select your traffic source and click on apply. can also observe that I have two traffic sources. I'm eligible for one and ineligible for other one. So if that would be the case, you would only be able to apply from the traffic source that you're eligible, and you can tick mark that and simply click on apply. Now you may do the same with Macy's normal one, and then Asia Pacific one as well, and Canada one as well. If you want, you can just do from one, or you can do it for all depending on your consumers. I'm gonna go just with the Macy's normal one. When you click on apply, it will open up this overlay window. Over here, you can just tick mark, yes, I agree to the terms and condition above, click on apply to program, and then your application to the Macy's affiliate program team or flex offers team would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and they'll give you the approval. Sometimes you'll get the approval right away. So I got lucky and I got the approval right away. But in your case, depends how well you're performing with flag surfers and how well your online traffic is. And it may take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. Now, let's say you have been approved. How would you know that you have been approved? You'll be notified by an email. And once you have received the email, you can come to the affiliate or rather the publisher dashboard once again, click on advertiser, click on advertiser search, and simply again search for the name, click on the search button, and then you would be able to see the tile again, and this time you will see it is approved. As you can see, now I get two options, get links and get products. So this is how you would know that you have been approved by the program that you just applied or have waited for. So you got the approval. Now what? Now you're going to start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create your tracking link? For that, you can come to the home page of Flex Offers. Once here, you can go down till quick link generator option, and over here with an advertiser, you can search for Macy's and then select your traffic source that is already selected since I'm approved for only this traffic source, and then a landing page URL. So let's say I want to create a tracking link for this URL. I'm going to copy this, I'm going to paste this in here, and then I'm going to click on generate. And as you can see, it created a tracking link for me. So I can copy this link and I can share it with my audience, with my traffic. And if you see, if I click on this link, it took me to the same page that I was looking at before. And if I want to look at some advanced deep link option, I can click on advanced deep link option and I can explore those things. By the way, there's also an option within advanced deep link where you can shorten this link if you want. So instead of this long looking tracking link, you would only have maybe till this section, the shorter version of the tracking link. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing tracking links. For that, you can look at the left hand side menu bar, click on links and click on link search. It will take you to the section. Within traffic source, you can select your traffic source, and within advertiser search, you can search for advertiser. I'm going to go with Macy's, and then within the content type, let's say I am looking for banner links. In case if you're looking for text link or widget, you can select accordingly, but I'm going to go with banners. So once you have selected the content type, you can simply click on search. Over here, you would be able to see different banner links available. Let's say if you're interested to promote this banner, you can click on view link for that respective banner. And over here, you can copy this link code and share it with your audience. You can also click on HTML and you can take this HTML link code, which you would be able to integrate from the backend of your website or blog. And then you also got image. Let's say you already have integrated the link and you're only looking for image, you can simply copy the image URL from here. So this is how you can get the link or link code for the banner links. Same way you can try other content type. If you're interested in looking at the product links of Macy's, you can again look at the left hand side menu bar. And this time, instead of clicking on link search, you can click on product search. And once here, you can again select your traffic source, and within advertiser, you can search for Macy's. And once you have done it, you can select all the other things and then simply click on search. Over here, you would be able to see different products available by Macy's, and then you can get the tracking links for those links as well, like how we did for banner links. Right, so you learn how to create or get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by Macy's, you can promote them on your homepage, maybe create or integrate a banner link somewhere on your homepage where it will be more prominent to your audience, to your traffic. You may also put their banner link somewhere in the category pages if you prefer. That's totally up to you. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because think about different products. You could write blog posts the Macy's products. So maybe create a blog post on different products of Macy's and integrate your tracking link somewhere with that blog post. This way, when people would read your blog post and if they will click on the link, they buy it, you get commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because choose any social media that you have been approved by. You can simply create a number of content. You could create videos, reels, shorts, stories, or posts and put your tracking link with those things. So this way, when people would consume your content and they like it, they'll click on the link. As usual, you'll receive commission. Fourth way is shopping website. Now, as an affiliate, if you have shopping website, then you will do amazing with Macy's because people come to these kind of websites to buy something, to buy products, to shop, correct? As usual, create different sections or create feature section on your shopping website. So these are some of the ways you can promote Macy's. What about the performance? Let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see a performance? For that, you have to come to the affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you would be able to see quick stats. And if you want to see more detailed reports, you look at the left-hand side menu bar and click on reports, click on performance. It will take you to the section. Over here, select your traffic source, performance by, and all the other filters, and then click on generate report. It will run the report and will show performance to you. And if you click on transaction details within reports, you will be able to see transaction level details. And to see your account balance, you can click on account balance. And over here, you can select your traffic source, click on view balance, and you would be able to see your commission balance in here. Now, let's say you want to receive this commission. How would you receive it? For that, you have to update your payment method. And to update your payment method, you can look at the top left hand side and just beside your unique ID, you can click on this and click on payment settings, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can complete 2FA using Google Authenticator app. So let me do it for myself. After successfully completing the 2FA, you can update your address within the step number 1 and then click on next button, which will then take you to the step number 2, which is payment method. Over here within payment method, you have an option to choose either local bank transfer or wire transfer. Choosing any of this, that means you have to give your banking details. You also got check. You can update your normal details to receive check payment. Then you also got PayPal, which is most recommended one. So you can select PayPal and give your PayPal details. And once you're done selecting your payment method and giving the respective details, you can click on next. It will then take you to the tax form step where you can follow the instructions and choose the respective tax form. Thereafter, you can click on next and then it will take you to the done section, and that's it. You have updated your payment settings and you can expect to receive commission from flex offers. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Macy's. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Macy's. And as an affiliate, if you want to learn better, if you want to grow in your affiliate marketing journey, I got some free resources available for you. You can look at the video description and you'll find a checklist and as well as an infographic. You might want to get those free resources and get better in your affiliate marketing journey. And if you're looking for some premium resources, I've also created those. You'll find the link for those resources in the video description as well. Apart from all this, if you still have any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.